Hey, I'm Blake Scarlevi with Route 16. I've got a quick pro tip video for you. So this comes from my colleague Tom Damana. He just noticed randomly there's a new ease of use feature with inside the Maker portal for solutions. Don't see that it was a part of any release way particularly. I could have missed it. It feels like something that was just kind of added in. Um, but I could be wrong there. But essentially, we are now have the native ability to move components from different solutions. So previously, you could go into a make a new solution and add existing and add any of existing components that way. But now we have the ability to go to a specific component, whether you're like in one solution, you could go to a component and then you can move it to another solution. So before we would have to use the XRM Toolbox plugin. There's a component mover plugin that allows you to do that. But now it is built in here. Um, there is still like a little bit of limitations, which we'll kind of cover here. One thing I've noticed for now, at least, I do have to go to make.preview.powerapps.com. If I just go to make.powerapps.com, I didn't see this option. Um, but here I'm inside my demo solution, and then also I have my demo 2 solution open up. So in demo 2, I just have account and project tables. Um, so I'm going to go to demo 1 here, and I have this inventory table. So I'm going to click on this, the dot, 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 and then here there's advanced, and then this new option, add to solution. So I click that, pops up with a list of possible solutions to move it to. So I'm going to click demo 2, click save. It does take some time. It acts like, um, it just kind of worked, but as you can see here at the top, it says it's adding it. So one limitation right there is I can only just pick one solution at a time, whereas the XRM Toolbox, I believe, lets you pick multiple solutions to move it to. Um, so it's still beneficial in that way. Here we can see it's added successfully, so I should be able to hop over here, refresh, and we should see the new table pop up. And it does take a little bit to load. There we go. So now inventory is added in my demo 2 solution. So super helpful. One thing JR noticed was that if you have, so say I moved, um, let's see, I think I have this scenario with project here. So project in my demo 1, I have a column actual hours. If I look at project in my demo 2 solution, I don't have that column, or I shouldn't, I believe. Yeah. So in demo 2, I just have the account column on project. In demo 1, I have actual hours on the project. So if you are adding, if you've already moved a table, for example, um, but more columns have been added in your source solution, and you want to go move that as well. Um, One thing you'll note, if I come here to project and I try to move it to demo 2, just says like, hey, this table's already there, so it doesn't let me do anything. Whereas ideally, you would think it would just let you move the table and everything again. So that's another limitation there. You can drill into each thing. So I can go to the column itself here, come here, go add a solution, and it'll work that way. But that's just another nuance of, you'd have to add each individual piece of a table, which could be tedious. So still, I think some more benefits from the XRM Toolbox uh, plug in there. But if you're just needing to quickly move some things, we have this option now available in the Maker portal. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.